Hello everyone and welcome again here on my channel Cheerfuldev. I hope you are doing good, I hope you are doing well, and I hope you are having a beautiful week. If not, remember guys, everything will be better, just never give up. So I've seen this in my channel here. There is one video that's been circling around and getting like 1000 views, and this is huge for me guys. I know 1000 it's nothing, but for me it's something huge. So I want to say thank you so much guys for watching my videos, and I really appreciate your support. And if you are new here guys, hit the subscribe button. It will help the community so much, and it will help me really so much. And like, of course, in comments, they like and they will make this channel grow even more. So I decided that I will make another tutorial video, and this time I wanted to show you how you can make an AR application using the Unity AR Foundation. But when I created the application using this AR Foundation, I had one problem, and that my phone does not support AR Core. I had a slight problem. I created the app and everything, it's working perfectly, but when I try to run it on my phone, it says that my phone does not support AR Core. So I decided that I will make it with Vuforia, but not the old one, but the new version of Vuforia. So let's get started. Here I am on the Vuforia engine website here, and you need to create an account. So as you can see here, I have my own account. Create one, it's for free guys, and once you've done that, you click on this developer panel here, and it will give you this link here. So you will be in this license manager here, and click on this get development key. Once you click this development key here, it will load another page where you will put the license name, whatever that you want guys. You check this box here and you click confirm. This way you will have a key. As you can see, I have my own key, and when you click on your key, it will give you this page here where there is a key. So this key, we will use it once we open Unity, and we will get back to this area here once we need it. So let's jump to the Unity Hub here. As you can see, I installed Unity Hub already, and I have the Unity version, the latest one, which is the 2019.3. So let me just go here, and I will select my latest version of Unity here to create a new project, and let's give it the name that we want. So in my case, let's name it Hatsune Miku. That's right guys, we are going to create an AR application where we will be watching Hatsune Miku dancing on top of my desktop. It will be really amazing guys, and I hope you will enjoy this tutorial. So I will let the name like this, and I have here the 3D view. It doesn't matter what you select, and now I will wait for Unity to open up. Now before Unity open up, let's go to the Vuforia website and let's finish some things here, right? So to make Vuforia work guys, we need to give it a target, right? So the way a Vuforia engine works is that it uses an image target, and you capture this image with your camera, and then it will spawn a model or anything on top of this image target. So in our case, I will use just one picture, and I took a picture of my computer, so I will make Miku show up on top of my computer. So let's go to the target manager here, and as you can see here, I have some database here created before, and you can create one really easy guys. Click on this add database here, give it the name that you want. You need to keep the type on device here, and you click create. Once you've done that, it will create a database for you here. It will be 0 here, of course, because there is no target. So click on your database, and it will give you this page here where you need to add a target. So you click this add target here, and it will give us this menu here. We need to add a single image or anything that we want. In my case, I will add just a single image. I will hit browse here to find the image that I want to add, and the image I want is here, this one. So it's a laptop, and I will change the name to not to keep it just laptop like this. And for the width, we need to make this how much we want the width to be. So in my case we want it to be just 1000 by 1000, so I will make the width only 1, or let's make it 10, okay, this way, because it will be a percentage of the image size, and this size will be multiplied by this 10, right? So we will see how it will looks in the scene, and if it's big we will make it smaller. So you click this add button here, and we will wait for the image target to be created. And as you can see, here is our image target here. We have it a rating for this image, so it means that we have 2 stars. It's not a bad picture. If you click on the picture here, it will show up. As you can see, the quality is pretty bad, and if you click these show features here, it will show us the points where our model will be spawning. So as you can see, it will be spawning in this area here, in this area, but mainly it will be in those area here, and I think this is really cool for me. I like it. So let's go back to picture here, and we need to download this database. To download this database, it's really easy, guys. All you have to do is to check the picture here, and you click on this download database. This way we will download this really easy, but I will wait. I will download this later, not for now, because I will wait for Unity to open up, and then we are going to see how this works. And here I am, and here Unity is open up, everything working just fun and cool, right? Now we can use and do anything. As you can see, this is a brand new project. There is nothing here. All I have is my main camera and a directional light in the scene, and I will be deleting those later, guys, but for now they work perfect for me. Now what we need to do is to add the Vuforia engine to our project. Now there is two ways to do this. The first one is you can go ahead and click the download button here on the Vuforia website, and it will give you this link, and you can download this Vuforia here, this package here, or you can download this for the HoloLens if you are using some HoloLens. But mainly you will need to download this one, but it may give you an error. It depends on the version of Unity you are running. So to avoid all those problems, what I'm going to do is I will head back to Unity, and you click on window here on the top corner, and you click on this package manager. Once you've done that, it will give you a window with all the packages that exist in Unity and the previous one that Unity are working on for now. So let's wait for it to open up. I don't know why it's slow. It's because I'm recording. My computer like to do this stuff when I'm recording. So as you can see, I can't see them for now. What you need to do is to click on these all packages here, and you click this all package. Now that we have all the packages here showing up for us, we need to find the Vuforia engine. So to do this, let's just keep scrolling here. As you can see, we have here the Vuforia engine here. This is the Vuforia engine AR. This is the one that we want to install. So hit back here. As you can see, here is the install button. Click it, and let's wait for Vuforia to be installed correctly. And now Vuforia is installed correctly in our PC, and as you can see, it's importing the files and everything. Let's wait for them to finish this stuff, because it takes some minutes, like 4 to 5 minutes. It depends on your computer, and of course my computer is being slow because I'm recording. This always happens, and it's okay, I don't mind this. So let's give it the time that needs to finish everything. Okay, now that Vuforia is installed correctly on my project here, we can use it however we want now. So if you look with me here in the hierarchy area, if I do a right click, we will have this Vuforia engine added up to our project here, and we can pick anything that we want from this area. So the first thing I want to do is to click on the AR camera to add an AR camera to our project. Now in your case, this may give you a warning. Just click accept and proceed with everything, so you will have your AR camera in the scene. Now we don't need this main camera we have here, because we have our AR camera, and this one will be the one responsible for everything. But before we start working or doing anything, select your AR camera here and scroll down until you see this open Vuforia engine configuration. you click this button here and it will give us this link here. So here, as you can see, the app license key, we need to add a key to this area here. What we need to do now is to head back to the Vuforia website. You go to the developer panel here and you click on your development key, and all you have to do now is to click on this key here just once. It will be copied to the clipboard and you paste this code here, basically just like this, and here we have everything cool. Now this may show up here saying that there is a new version of Vuforia. Do not care about it because we are using the version that is compatible with our Unity version, so don't mind this area here. And what we need to do is to check this device tracker. We need to track the pose of the device, so check this one here, it will help everything. And for the AR core requirements, keep it at optional, because if you make this to required, this may give you some trouble. Keep it as optional like this. And I think that's it, everything here is cool. Okay, our camera is being set up correctly. Now what we need to do is to add an image target, right? So we are going to do a right click again and we go to the Vuforia engine and let's add an image. This will ask us if we need to import the database, the default image database from Vuforia engine, and we do not need this one because we will have our own database. So click this skip button here and we will have our image target here. And as you can see in the inspector area, sorry guys, for now we do not have any image targets because we need to add a target. As you can see, we have this button here to add a target. What we are going to do now is to go back to the Vuforia website. We go to the target manager, you click on the database that you created, in my case it's picture here, and inside here I have this laptop, right? I will check this picture and I will click download database. It will ask me where I want to download this one. I check the Unity editor and you click download. Give it just like a couple of seconds because this should be quick, but because I'm recording it will take a longer time. And here we will have our package here. In my case I will click this folder here so I can see it on the folder panel, and I will click this package here and I will drag it inside Unity just like this. It will import this package. It will ask you to import everything. Click import just like this, and now we have our resource and everything here. And if you select your image target here, we have now a database and an image target. What you need to do, for now it's empty, click this link here and we select the database, which in my case the name is picture. And inside my database there is an image target, and in my case there is one image target, which is this laptop here. And as you can see here we have our laptop and it's really cool. And this scale, this scaling, it's really big. I will make this small. I will keep it just like 111. This looks cool, so I can see it clearly here. As you can see, here is our image target. This is just a picture of my desktop, and you can rotate this one and do anything that you want. And now what we need to do is to add the model that you want to add on top of this image target. So in my case I have the model that I want, so I will head back to my folders here. So let me just find the picture that I want. So here is the model I want. It's Miku. It's Hatsune Miku. I will give you a link in the description so you can download this if you want to follow along with me with the same model. If you have your own model, go ahead and just use it. So just click and drag again to the Unity here and it will import everything. For now, let's wait for the package to be imported. I will click import. Let's give it a moment here. It will import the package, and all I need from this package is Hatsune Miku and a dance animation. Now that I have everything imported correctly here, I will clear these errors because there is no error here. And here is Hatsune Miku that I am interested in, and as you can see, this is the model that I will be using in this tutorial here. It's really cute because I like Hatsune Miku. If you do like Hatsune Miku, hit the subscribe button and like this video, guys. So let me just show you how you can add a model to your project here. So here is our image target, all right? And we need to add our model inside our image target. How you can do this? It's really easy. If you are following with me with the same package I am using right now, all you have to do is to click on this Hatsune Miku you have here and drag it inside the image target. Do not add it anywhere with this line, but you need to add it inside the image target. And this way, Hatsune Miku will show up inside the image target. If I double click it, as you can see, here is our model here. And we need to adjust the position. So let's make it into 0, 0, just like this. And now we have Hatsune Miku on top of our image target. And for now, the model is really big. And I will need to make this smaller because that's not how I want it to looks like. Because as you can see, let me explain something really quick here, guys, and it's really important. So as you can see, the picture of my computer, of my laptop, it's really this small, and my laptop is just like this. So when Hatsune Miku will spawn on top of my laptop, it will be this size. It will be really big. Bigger than my laptop, so I will have trouble to show you guys how she looks, right? So what I'm going to do is to select Miku here, and I will make this scale really small. Let's see something like this. Let me zoom in here. That looks really cool. That looks cool. Let me just check here. I do like how this size looks, and what I want to do, you may notice with me that my laptop is right now on the left side, right? So if I make this rotation here, something just like this, this is how my laptop looks like, right? So this is the front of my laptop, and Miku is showing her back to me. What I want to do is to rotate here just like this. So I will make a 180 rotation just like this, so it will be looking at me at this direction here. And I will let's keep it here. That looks really cool. And here I have an animation, and to play the animation I will check this one to be played automatically once we spawn Miku here. And what I'm going to do is to add a component here, and it will be an audio listener, and I will add an audio source too to this one here. And let's add an audio clip. I have here a song that I like for Hatsune Miku here, and for now we have 2 audio listeners. Now you will ask me, where is the first one? If you click on your AR camera, there is one by default. Let's remove this one here because we don't need it. We have one here inside our Hatsune Miku. And what I want to do is this audio clip to be played on awake. So now if I run this application, I'm supposed to see Hatsune Miku on top of my laptop. But since I want to use this on my phone, I will build this to Android. As you can see, for now we have it on the standalone. I will select the Android, and if you are using a Mac, you will check this. You may check the iOS one here. So in my case, I will pick the Android one here, and I will switch my platform. Now that I have Android as my platform here, you may need to click this add open scene here. So you will add your open scene to the scene in build. This way you will build this to the Android, and you will need to click this build button here. But before you do this, there is something that we need to correct. You click these player settings here, and it will show us these player settings. We need to correct some stuff here. Here on the player, on the project settings here under player here, we need to correct some stuff. So if you go to the other settings here, let's open this up, you will find that there is a graphic API which is Vulkan. Now Vuforia does not support this Vulkan, it supports this one here. So let's delete this one. You select the Vulkan one here, and you click this minus button here, and it will take a couple of minutes to correct the setup for our project here. Okay, everything's good now. I will uncheck this button here as I said before, and let's see if there is something we need to change. Of course we need to change the package name. Let's make this one into Miku, just something really easy. And for the default company, let's make it into Miku too. And for the product name, let's keep it like this. I think everything's cool, everything's really amazing here. Okay, nothing I need to change. Okay, now that everything is good and everything is good to go, I will click the build button here, and now we can export our APK. I will give it just a simple name, Miku dance, something like this, if I can write correctly, and I will click save. And now I will wait for the APK to be exported, and I will install it on my phone, and I will show you how it looks like in my smartphone. And here guys, as you can see, the music is playing, and here is Miku on top of my laptop here. She's dancing, guys. And as you can see, I can move close to her, move far away from her. I can literally see anything that is around my computer, and she's dancing there and doing her cute dance, guys. I really like this so much. And if you did like what we did in this video, guys, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, and thank you so much, guys, for supporting this channel. And we are close to 1000 subscribers. I really appreciate your support, guys. I really love you. I was going to say, I don't know what to say. I have no idea what to say. I'm just happy that Miku is dancing on my computer here. Hopefully I will see you guys in the next episode, and catch you later, guys. See you soon.